Hey, Alexei is here, and as always, this time of the month, I'm happy to present you the following update from Clickly. And Clickly, it's a tool for building native mobile applications where designers and engineers, the tool where designers and engineers can collaborate in real time, and other team members can also join them, and they can create apps. And Clickly really shines when the team needs to start from some POC or MVP and then gradually evolve it into the fully fledged production ready app without a need to throw what they already have built to move from stage to stage. For instance, when people move from design to code, there is a need for having this design to code handover and then basically constant back and forth. Here in Clickly, they can save time and effort and nerves and build things together in real time. Designer, for instance, can focus on visual things, on UI and interactions and animations. And by the way, designer can use native components. Not even can, they will use native components in Clickly. The components with all the settings that are available for coders, for engineers usually, but now designers have power to tweak and change and test in real time on a mobile device, on iOS or Android or web, and or all three altogether, or different versions of some of those at the same time, in real time. And engineers can focus on data integrations, logic, some heavy lifting. They can assist designer with implementing the design, the product vision, and then other team members can join them to test, to check. They can even show it to their customer, like internal or external one, and the customer can say, oh, I like this one, another idea maybe, or something like this, so they can collaborate together. And then Clickly produces the code. And that was actually one of the main efforts of this last month, is the better code compiler. And now this code compiler supports all the things that designers and engineers build together, or whoever uses the tool. And the code is production ready, reliable, stable, deterministic, which is really important. It doesn't use AI to be generated. So the compiler is algorithmic and deterministic, which allows to guarantee the code quality, reliability, and it follows all the best industry practices and all these great things. So, for instance, just to show an example for this data formula, which is relatively like medium complexity, I would say. It generates the source code. And if I change something here, some numbers, some settings, and then I go to the code, it regenerates it automatically. Actually, the code is being regenerated in real time as well, and you don't need to spend the AI tokens. Same, by the way, for all every visual edits in the app. Whatever you want to change, you change it immediately. You don't need to spend tokens for that. But you also can, of course, start an app using AI, or AI can assist you while you're building an app. For instance, this simple app with a couple of similar screens was created using Cloud Fable from some screenshots I found on social media. And another highlight of the month is a new UI toolbar, where the growing number of UI components now reorganized and put in just better categories and even sets. And there are around 130 UI components now available, and the users can switch and choose whatever they want to use. And another thing for building logic is test data, which helps to improve the developer experience when building action flows or data formulas, especially using some external APIs like external HTTP APIs, like in this case. So you can create a test data basically make a snapshot of the latest call of this data node and save on API calls or have more stable test data that you can use when you are developing your app, which is really handy. So also some other improvements in terms of performance and bug fixes. And of course, I continue experimenting with AI. This screen, for instance, was generated with Claude Fable, as I said. I have some other experiments like this one, and this one even like fully uh, ready, basically. Very, very simple primitive app that shows you the cat facts, random cat facts. And it, again, generates all the source code. It supports everything: UI building, logic building, data integrations, all the data transformations. Basically, everything that is possible in the code, in Clickly, it's possible in a visual way. So thank you for being interested in the progress. And thank you for being with me, being with Clickly over this period of time, last many months, I guess, I hope. If you just discovered Clickly, tell me what you think about that and whether it's something that you can use. I have some early beta testers basically who are using Clickly, and they have some value, some benefits from using Clickly. And if you want to join this cohort, let me know, reach out to me. And again, thank you for your time. Enjoy your day. See you later. Bye.